This place is full of shit.
Yeah, you brought in for us to fix it, sir.
Yeah. Okay, where the paper I signed that? They didn't sign nothing.
This place is full of shit.
Look, I'm putting on YouTube on y'all.
I got bring my truck over here running.
Don't worry, it don't be out there. They ain't be that.
They couldn't put this shit back together. They got no knowledge.
No brains.
Yeah. They got no brain.
All the pictures I want. All the pictures.
They couldn't even replace lifters. They were trying to say it needs a new motor. That's number one bullshit ass nigga right there. Now I'm having to take it to Motex where they know what the fuck they doing. Sad as fuck. What's this shop called?
Texas.
Texas ass.
I sure did not.
Texas Star Tire.
Hey, I got you both, man, on record. Y'all jumped the horse so fast. That's what came out of his mouth. Y'all jumped the horse.
They started tearing my motor down before anything.
It was running when I run it. You have power? I don't even know if it got power or not.
Oh, it's got power.
Okay.
No problem, man.
I don't want you to use it. I don't want you to use it. I don't want you to use it. You get fired.
I'm trying to get fucked there.
Will it move now? Hold on.
You're not neutral.
This is neutral.
Okay. What's all this?
There's an emergency spring you can take off.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, my Dodge came with it.
What did take off for?
I took it off.
Oh,
yeah.
you did. I wonder why who took it off.
Yeah, I did. I record all this. Don't worry, they're gonna go on my YouTube channel. So 12,000 people can see them. Goddamn, bro. Fucking breathing hard. Had to get this shit from this bullshit ass shop. Had my shit since November.
It's in the damn man. I just tried to show you on me. Which one they asked me? Oh, I don't need a whole box.
Motherfuckers talk shit and won't do shit.
Come here. We're out of here, damn shop.
There's some bullshit in that shop. Especially that motherfucker right there.
The one closing the door?
Let me go get you. Let me go get you.
Give me that.
This bullshit ass shop, man.
Please don't come in here, sir. You're not welcome on here.
Bullshit ass shop. He.
I called the police. You're escorted out of the shop, sir.
They don't know how to work
Please,
it.
sir.
They don't know.
You trespassed off the lot, sir.
Look at him.
I can do the same thing. These guys here refuse to pay their bill. I've called the police. They won't leave the parking lot.
Learn it. Hey, buy a newer phone. You see this one?